The iPhone 16 Pro Max has some amazing specs on top of many upgrades, so sit back, hit subscribe now, and let's get into it. We've got news that we're getting some big changes to Siri. A lot more features to make it more realistic and advanced. Apple is now picking up speed with its AI development. According to some sources, this new feature will be able to take on multiple commands and carry out complex tasks. We've got another confirmation that the iPhone 16 Pro Max is going to feature a new L-shaped battery with up to a 9% bump in its total capacity. It's going to come with a 4,747 mAh battery, up from the predecessor's 4,441. Now that's a big change. The iPhone 16 Pro Max is also coming with thinner bezels. The iPhone 15 Pro Max did a great job at bezel reduction, so this was always likely to be an area of improvement. There is a close-up look of the iPhone 15 Pro Max and iPhone 16 Pro Max, and we can see that Apple did a great job at it. There is a report of a brighter display and more. Last year's iPhone topped out at 2000 nits of peak brightness. The iPhone 16 Pro Max is reportedly going to be able to peak 2800 nits. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed the video, do make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on post notifications so you don't miss out whenever I post a new video.